Oh!
Holy.
Go Pedro, go. Go Pedro, go. Go Pedro, go.
Go Pedro, go Pedro,
Go Pedro, go Pedro. Go Pedro. Pedro! Go Pedro, go Pedro, go Pedro.
Go Pedro,
Go Pedro.
Go Pedro, go Pedro.
Oh
Go
my
Pedro,
God.
Pedro.
Go Pedro,
Go Pedro.
Pedro.
Oh!
Oh.
One enemy remaining.
40.
Last player standing.
Game! Ay-ya! Oh, I'm dead. Whoa, what is that?
Maybe they don't
here.
see it.
They're coming, they're here.
Oh, here they come, here they come. Okay, wait for them, wait. I'm gonna molly.
3.
I'm molly. Wait, oh wait, wait. No, she actually just taps me.
My sense is so
No,
bad.
Right click didn't hit.
Oh, the sense is good.
Healing over here.
Oh, bad
Player
timing, dude.
standing.
My sense is so
One
bad, but
enemy
they're
remaining.
worse.
Oh my god.
Oh, he fucked me!
Pedro. You could see that coming from a mile away, Pedro.
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 All the time, dude. How did I get fucked like that, huh?
I have a spear. I have a spear.
I threw a spear at it already. Throw another one.
At this guy?
Can't.
Yeah, this guy's standing right here. Okay, nice.
What the fuck? My spear! My 15 dies into the sky! What the fuck?
Killed.
Stop.
We're fine. Who's that, Maddie?
One eternity later.
I think I just saw Maddie.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine.
Obliterated.
Oh, here we go.
Get him, get him, get him.
Get him! Get him!
Come on, Devin.
Come on, Devin.
Come on.
Come on, get
Come
him.
on, Devin.
I right clicked
Fight him,
already.
fight him. Get
Get
him.
him, Devin.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, that's
Oh.
Come on. There we go.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, no.
no.
Alec, leave.
Leave, Alec, leave. Just go home, Alec, go home.
Go home.
You gotta jump back across. Oh, no! Are you guys still alive?
No, the train!
Half your allies are down.
Short.
She's still gunning for you.
Oh, that was smooth, game. Smooth.
2 HP in the
Fuck
dream.
that up. Okay. Good loot, I guess.
Wait,
how many
we're
dresses
missing
do we have
somebody?
left? Did we
We're
bring
missing
out
somebody.
the truck?
We're missing somebody?
Who are we missing? Wait, who are we
Pedro?
missing? 1, 2,
We
3,
only have
4,
7.
Ah, I
5.
can push someone down.
Wait, who are we missing?
Right? Oh, no, wait. Somebody just, never mind. We're good. I think we're good. We're good. We're
Are we
good. We're good.
1, 2, 3,
Who
4,
just
5,
climbed
6,
slowly
7,
up the
8.
ladder?
Whoever is on the top and doing
Who's on
anything,
top?
Pedro.
It's definitely Pedro.
Should we take this stuff back up?
I'm gonna put it in the middle.
Oh.
Oh!
See you later.
No!
Dumb. Oh my god.
No.
I didn't see the whole thing was tipping over. I
Oh.
was looking at the individual tiles.
Jesus. Why'd you fly so far? No, I wanted to cuck that guy.
Oh. Oh. Oh, Pedro!
Mine right here. Careful, boy.
End it quickly, Pedro. It's gotta be you.
I'm attacking as much as I can!
I'm trying. I do no damage.
It's okay. I think Jiminy can do
Anyway.
it.
Maybe
not.
Get some low enough till he can ult.
Oh no.
Pedro, attack the Renekton.
I was going for the end game.
You can't end when the Renekton's on top of you. You have to auto. You literally would have deleted him in seconds with the Jinx
No,
passive.
I wouldn't, Gabe.
Yes!
Yes!
Yes! About this thing. Go it.
Oh no!
That sucks.
6 minus 5 is 1. 1
Good
minus
job, Pedro.
1 plus 5 is 6.
Wow.
And 5 minus 1 is... Or, wait, circle is 5, right? 5
I'm
is
gonna
4.
beat this guy. I can't do it.
I like having absolutely no context to what he's doing.
Exactly.
Wait, did I count wrong?
Oh,
How many
he's
moons are
retarded.
4.
The
There's
circle goes in
4?
the circle hole.
4?